Here's the quick version of a mixture problem. You're going to set up a chart like this. 4 liters of brand A and 6 liters of brand B. That's a total of 10 liters. And B contains 55% juice and percent in A, so that's X, if the mixture contains 47%. Okay, so you multiply across to get these values. 6 times 0.55 is 3.3, and 10 times 0.47 is 4.7. Then you set this up as the top plus the middle equals the bottom. That's what you do every time. 3.3, subtract that from both sides, you get 4x equals 1.4. Divide both sides by 4, and you get x is 0.35. It does ask you to find the percent, so you multiply that by 100, and that answer is 35%. Hope that helps. See you next time.